What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Grizz.
And me, Joe, shooting from our lovely new studio. We're just not in the car.
Yeah, we're in his basement. And this is Two Dudes, Sweet Treats.
And tonight, we went to Dairy Queen and had blizzards.
He got the, I got the new, I got my own creation. I got a strawberry Oreo blizzard.
And I got the Reese's Caramel Craze,
Caramel Crave.
whatever it's called.
Caramel Crave.
Yeah.
And it's so dang hot that it's already melted, folks.
And the reason why we're filming inside is because
it's humid. Yeah. That's very tasty. Yeah. For strawberry and Oreo. Very tasty.
Not gonna lie,
5 out of 5.
that's a solid 5 out of 5. I don't like Reese's either. Reese's peanut butter cups. I don't like those.
He loves Reese Pieces. So yeah, don't be afraid if you want to mix stuff up at Dairy Queen. Ask them if you can get 2 different, candies. And they'll be like, yeah, sure. Maybe. I got lucky. I got a nice person tonight.
Hey, he was very friendly. Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah. So,
Like, you want a big tip, eh, bud?
this has been Grizz.
This has been Joe.
And this has been Two Dudes, Sweet Treats. We'll catch you next time, guys.